can't just get the bacon. No, no. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my potato corned beef soup. Okay, we're gonna make a corned beef potato soup, and it's going to be amazing. We've got our celery, carrot, onion, and that's going to make our, can't remember the word, mirepoix. We're gonna make our mirepoix. We've got our potatoes and bacon, and we've got some garlic, Chef Dad smoked salt, and Parmesan cheese. Then, the star of the event, we have a dog barfing in the background. Our beautiful corned beef, and it was really weird. I normally don't have any leftover corned beef. The boys, I'm surprised, didn't eat a full one each. We're gonna step over here. I'm gonna get this heat going on high. 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of some high quality olive oil. As soon as this starts melting down, I'm gonna start adding in our veggies. And as soon as I put those in, I'll add a little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt just to start breaking them down. We're already getting hot, butter starting to melt. Olive oil is slowly coating the entire bottom of the pan. Celery. And my carrots. I'm gonna wait on my onions for just a moment. But at this point, I'm gonna add just a little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt. And I'm not going to let this go too long, and I'm going to get these onions in there. These are just a little bit heartier than the onions, so I want them to start breaking down a little bit before I add in the onion. You can choose whatever you want to do with this soup. You could cook it really long and everything be mushy, or you could leave it so some of these vegetables have a little bit of texture to them, but we just need to start breaking them and sweating them down. I haven't added my garlic yet because I do not want the garlic to burn. All right, now that those are starting to break down just a little bit, I'm gonna go in with all of my onion. I'm gonna let these cook. So I'll bring it back in just a minute when we get the garlic in there. We've got these. I didn't cook them down really hard because I didn't want to. So right now I'm gonna go in. I'm in a little well in the bottom. I'm gonna grab our garlic. This is a lot, not enough. It's garlic. You can never have enough. It's about 4 tablespoons of garlic, or a full clove, and I'm just going to put it in the center and let it start getting toasted. I don't want to cook it too hard because it'll burn. Sweet basil, this is optional, but we're going to throw it in. Once you can smell that garlic nice, go ahead and mix it all in. That smells really good. Just this smells really, really good. Okay, I'm going to leave this on high for just a few more minutes, but I'm going to take all of my potatoes, and I'm gonna dump them in now. A little more Chef Dad smoked salt. I'm gonna turn it down on a medium heat. And at this point, I'm gonna add some of our bacon. I'm gonna go in with our corned beef. There's some fawn at the bottom that is growing, and I'm good with that, because we're going to go in with our liquids here in just a moment. We're going to go in with our beef broth. So as you can see, our broth level is right there. Do we want a soup or do we want a stew? I'm thinking I want more of a soup. So I'm going to go in with a couple cups of water. Cooking doesn't always have to be science. So now after this cooks down for a little bit, we'll go ahead and add our cream and our cheese, and we'll just about be ready to eat. So I'm gonna go in here with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Just about a cup. Then I'm gonna go in with some freshly squeezed cream. Half cup and a tablespoon. That's what I'm calling it. Start mixing this in. And the amount of cream is up to you. You could add more if you want to. You don't have to add any if you don't want to. We're gonna let it simmer. We'll bring it back when we're ready to serve it. So this has got a little bit of everything. It's beautiful. Super simple. As you can see, it's super hot. It's just a good warming meal. You can make bread and eat it with it. but I didn't yet. Oh yeah. Make sure to check out Make Your Own Bacon and Make Your Own Corned Beef. We've done them here. What do you think?
So
Can you say that like clear and like I'm excited to be here with my dad?
it's good.
How was track practice today?
Good.
Was it fun? What was the best part?
I don't know.
YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. I'm looking at that one. I should be. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That's the subscription button. Push it. I need you. I need your families to all push it. Learn how to make amazing food. Click the button. You guys are awesome. You're making our dreams come true. Okay, everybody, soup's on.